Hi folks, St. Paul's Steam here. Here we have something just a little different than normal. It's something I've been wanting to do for a good little while now. And that's nickel plate about everything that moves on a Jensen steam engine. This happens to be a 25, and you can see a lot of it got sent off to the nickel platers. Firebox, the boiler, chimney stand, chimney. I even had a special flywheel made for it. You can see we have a stainless steel braided cord for the plug-in. It's grounded, 3-wire. And I did put ball bearings in the axle. I like it to run as good as it looks. I'll probably put air to it here in a little bit. I don't see any reason to steam this up. It's a show pony. And rather not take the time to clean it up again. We'll take a closer look at some of the features here in just a second. The firebox and chimney stand came out really nice, as well as the base. Let's take a closer look at some things. Of course, we've got one of my pressure gauges on it with the chrome housing. I also made 3 aluminum handles, one for the whistle, one for the throttle, and one for the reversing mechanism, using the skinny snowman wooden Jensen handles as a template, and just kind of guessing on the size, although I did kind of mic the other one and made them close to spec. And it came out pretty nice, kind of lent itself to what I was trying to achieve here. I'll hook some air up to it here in just a second, and we'll get that going. As you can figure, this thing is a dust magnet and a fingerprint magnet. Let's put some air to it and get it running a little bit. Be right back. Okay, we got it running now. Of course, we had to use a chrome-plated air valve on it too. The flywheel is also twice as heavy as the normal stock one for these engines. And it's actually a brand new engine. I've been breaking it in. And well, it's running on, looks like 2.5, 3 pounds pressure right now. But I call this my Jensen 25 NP for nickel plate. And thank you for looking, folks. Bye now.